Of course, the main tragedies in a war are associated with the killing and maiming of its human victims. And it should not be forgotten that during the war with Georgia, the Abkhazians lost no fewer than 4% of their population. However, on the 22nd of October 1992, a particularly vicious act of cultural vandalism, which was quite calculated, took place on the grassy plot behind me. Standing here at the time was the Abkhazian Research Institute of History, Literature and Language, and housed within it was a very precious archive. That night, Georgian occupiers torched the building. The aim of their arson was to erase documentary proof of the very presence of Abkhazians on Abkhazian soil, thereby facilitating Georgia's claims to the territory. When firefighters arrived to douse the flames, they were prevented from doing so at gunpoint.